Hey, how's it going? I'm back just to announce something. Dynamo turns 10 in April based on the version 1.0.0 release. To kind of celebrate, I'm collecting user stories from people of how Dynamo's helped you throughout the years, your journey, anything you want to share. I'll link it below, but there is a forum post for you to go share. Here it is on the screen now. Uh, I share my first Dynamo forum post when I learned about Dynamo back in 2014, which is longer than 10 years ago. I know, kind of weird. It's technically an anniversary of the version 1.0 release, but we're going to call it a birthday just to do it. I started using Dynamo in version 0.6.3 within Vasari at the time. Crazy. Been a long time. Really starting to feel old too. But go to that forum post, share something about what you've done over the years, something like that. We're trying to gather all of these to be able to share them in some sort of cool way, with Dynamo kind of celebrating this milestone. So please go do that. I'll see you on the forum. And yeah, thanks for checking out this really quick video.
That's my story.
All right.